Welcome to the project demonstration of virtual telepresence robot to do the pick and place operation. So in this project the main application is to control the robot movement along with pick and place operation with help of this pick and place robotic arm setup from the mobile phone. We can access that, as well as at the same time we can control the camera direction with the help of two servo motors based on our head position. Means we are going to place this in a virtual box, and when we are tilting our head towards the right or left side, then that will be identified by our Raspberry Pi 3B plus model, and based on the position which we are going to receive the gyroscope sensor data from the mobile phone. Based on that, the system will control these two servo motors. One is for up down motion of this camera and another is left and right rotation of this camera. So this is continuously processed from the mobile phone based on the input from that system. And robo controlling and along with gripper controlling will be achieved by this Raspberry Pi 3B plus board. And to control that DC motors, we are making use of this L293D motor driver. This is to control the gripper, and this one is to control the 4 DC motors. So in this model we are using 4 wheels as a 4-wheel drive vehicle, which can provide us the high precision turnings left, right, forward, backward and operations here. So we have interfaced these two L293D motor drivers at pin number 2, 3, 17, 27, 5, 6, 9, 13 pins of our Raspberry Pi 3B plus, and Pi camera is directly connected at the Pi camera slot only. So here coming to the motor ratings, we are using the 2 DC motors for gripper operation is 100 rpm 12 volts, and 4 DC motors for robot movement is 30 rpm 12 volts. So this power supply is getting from this lithium ion battery pack. So this consists of 3.7 volts batteries which are in series. So we will get 11.2 volts and 12.5 is the maximum voltage when we have charged these batteries in fully. Then that is a power supply input to our whole system. And here the operating voltage of our servo motors and Raspberry Pi 3B plus is 5 volts. To regulate this 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC, we are making use of this voltage regulator, that is LM2596 voltage regulator. Coming to the charging section, this charging circuit. So here there is a charger circuit along with the transformer. So to charge a battery, we need to connect this B at this B slot. So the B, we need to connect that B at this B slot here, right? Okay. And next on the power supply to this circuitry from the transformer, right? So you can see that before connection on the power supply to the transformer, right? See the indication. Then you can connect this B at this B slot, right? So once successful connection made, the battery is charging. It will take 2 hours. So till the 2 hours you should keep the battery under charging, maximum of 3 hours. If it's fully discharged, so you need to charge a battery for 3 hours maximum, and after that disconnect the battery and switch off the power supply to the charging circuits. So you can keep it aside. And the next step is, so as we discussed, very first step is keep the battery under full charge, and the next step is we need to install some applications in your mobile phone, so which we are going to provide you, that is dual and multi-browser and wireless IMU, right? So wireless IMU application and Google Chrome, usually you have that, and network analyzer application. So these are the main applications in our project. And third step is go to hotspot settings of your phone and configure the hotspot settings to configure the hotspot settings. So project 6551 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789, and next AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After enabling the after configure settings, enable the hotspot and data. Then after on the power supply to this switch. So this is a main on off switch here we have placed over there, right? So below is the on, above is the off. So after switching on the circuit, give a list of 10 to 15 seconds of duration. Let the Raspberry Pi initialize the operating system. After successful installation, this camera light will get switched on continuously. Now it's initially blinks, then it will blinks continuously, and right. So initially the servo motor's bit vibrates, After setup initialize successfully, then the vibration will be stops. And here we can see one device is connected in your mobile phone. Right, we have seen that one device connected Raspberry Pi. Now after you check that, go to network analyzer application, go to options, LAN scan, do the scan, then we can get the Raspberry Pi Foundation IP address. So copy that, copy in Google Chrome, paste that IP address, and end of that type :5000, that's very important, okay, and enter. So we can see this screen which we can control the robot movement directly. So let us see that: forward, stop, backward, stop, left side, stop, right side, stop, and the next gripper up motion. See, you can see that, gripper down, and next gripper close, gripper open. So these are the operations for the robot movement. And coming to the camera controlling, that is virtual reality, we are going to control that. For that, open this quad browser. So in the first browser, paste the same IP address which we got from the network analyzer, but here type 5000 colon, sorry, type :8080. See here, okay, and enter. Sorry, 8081. Yep, 8081. Right, so we can see the camera visuals. Same, now copy this and paste in the below IP address here. Right, so we can see the two screens here. Now let us place this in the virtual box. Right, so now let's place this. Now here we can see the visuals of the camera directly. Coming to the controlling, as we have the browser, as we have explained, the wireless IMU application. So here also same, copy and paste that, run in background, select medium, okay. Now run in background, and next when you are clicking off on, place this like in the manner, right. Right, okay, let us place this in VR box. Right, see now, so run in background everything, and then after keep this on, run in background and medium, go to the screen. Right, so now I am seeing that. Right, okay, so let us see the virtual box here. I'm placing inside that by seeing the visuals. Right, I'm seeing the camera again and looking up. Okay. So I'm keeping it up. Right, this is all about the virtual teleprocess of controlling the robotic